Sairam students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, taking good care of yourself and studying also.
Yes, ma'am. Saira, ma'am, we are fine and studying also.
Very good children, very nice to hear this. Right? So we shall begin our class with three Omkarams. Sit straight, join your hands, close your eyes. Om. Sairam children. So see, we were discussing chapter 7 measurement, right? And we have seen different types of measurements, and we have discussed thickest, thinnest, taller, shorter. So today we are going to discuss the concept of heavier and lighter. So what do you understand by the term heavier or lighter? First you need to understand the term heavy and light. आपने कभी सुना है? Have you ever heard this term? This words?
Yes, ma'am. सुना है.
कब सुना है? Can you give me one example?
मैम जैसे हमारा स्कूल बैग बहुत हैवी होता है तो वैसा और
So
जैसे
teacher sometimes says, don't bring very heavy bag, right? Mother also says, why your bag is so heavy? What you are carrying today? है ना? बोलती ना क्या क्या डाला है बैग में? इतना heavy कैसे है आज?
यस मैम
Okay? और सपोज आपकी मम्मी ने आपको बोला कि कैन यू ब्रिंग दैट ऑब्जेक्ट और सपोज अ बिग वाटर बॉटल दैट इज फुल ऑफ वाटर सो
यस
आपने उसको उठाया और व्हेन यू आर नॉट एबल टू पिक दैट बॉटल देन व्हाट यू से मम्मा इट्स वेरी हैवी बहुत हैवी है मैं नहीं उठा पा रहा हूँ मैं
यस
नहीं उठा पा रही हूँ यस so heavy means which has ग्रेटर मास जिसका मास जो है ज्यादा होता है तो आपको वो क्या लगता है हैवी लगता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव दीज टू बॉल्स कैन यू सी दीज बॉल्स चिल्ड्रन
यस
राइट
यस मैम
and both you can pick it up right they are not so heavy but if we'll compare two objects their masses mass का मतलब एक उनका कुछ वजन होता है ठीक है एक उनका कुछ weight होता है तो if any object is having more mass more weight then that object will be known as heavier object right and if another object is having lesser mass or lesser weight that will be called or known as lighter object right so you can see these two balls and one is little smaller than this and this is quite bigger right so which one will be heavy and which one will be lighter both
मैम
are made up of same object ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि साइज से मैटर नहीं करता कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट हैवी होगा ये ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट होगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट चीज से बना है अगर दोनों प्लास्टिक से बने हैं तो आप कर सकते हो कंपेयर
यस मैम
now you can tell me
मैम द बिग वन विल बी हेवियर एंड द स्मॉलर वन विल बी लाइटर
Very good. Exactly. Right? You have given the right answer. A big clap for you. Though it
थैंक
was very easy for you, but then also you deserve a clap. Right? So yes, it is the bigger one. So if they are made up of same thing, same material, अगर same चीजों से बने हैं, तभी भी जो बड़ा object होगा वो ज्यादा material लेगा बनने में, जो छोटा होगा वो क्या लेगा? Less material, and that is why the bigger one will be the heavier one, and this will be the lighter. Okay. For example, I have one more. This you can see. Remember the bottle
यस
when I
मैम
showed this when we discussed about the thicker and thinner, right? So this is a bottle and this is a leaf, right? They are made up of different things, so
यस
doesn't matter here. But can you see and tell me which one will be lighter? Lighter
मैम
मतलब जिसका weight कम होगा, जो हल्का होगा.
मैम द लीफ विल बी लाइटर
Yes, you have seen the leaves, children. You must have touched also, picked in your palm also. देखा होगा ऐसे उठाकर छूकर तो आपने देखा होगा वो बहुत light होती है, right? And you can see this bottle. This is made up of plastic and it is having some liquid also. Though it is a sanitizer, तो इसमें एक liquid भी भरा है, तो इसका weight तो definitely ज़्यादा हो गया. तो
यस
जिसका weight ज़्यादा होता है, अगर हम इसको weighing machine में रखेंगे, तो वो ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा या नीचे की तरफ जाएगा? जब हम
मैम
weight
वो
करते
नीचे की तरफ जाएगा मैम जो है
it will be like this.
यस मैम
Yes. Yes, so this is lighter. तो ये क्या होगा, वेइंग मशीन में ऊपर की तरफ रहेगा और जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट हैवी होगा वो नीचे की तरफ चला जाएगा. So yes, very good children. This is the heavier object here and this is the lighter one which has a less weight. ठीक है? One more example we'll see here. Suppose I have two books, right? This is your NCERT maths book and this is some activity craft book. Okay. So you can see they are made up of pages only, but by seeing their thickness, आप इनकी thickness देखिए और बताइए आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी वाली का weight ज्यादा होगा और हम उसको कह सकते हैं that book will be heavier. आप इनको देखिए.
अपनी बुक हेवियर है मैम और वो क्राफ्ट बुक इज लाइटर.
हाँ, because it has less pages, so its weight is lighter. तो हम इसको weighing machine में कैसे रखेंगे? अगर हम इसको इस hand में रखते हैं तो like this.
मैम ये नीचे जाएगा और क्राफ्ट बुक ऊपर आएगी.
Very good. So it will go down and it will be up because it has less weight. It is lighter and it is heavier here. So I hope children you have understood the concept, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll discuss it more. We'll solve some question. For that, let me present my screen first, children. Wait a minute. Yeah, has the screen come to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. Yeah, it's lesson 7, measurement. And we are discussing today heavier and lighter. So see children, to understand it more better way, we'll do some questions, right? We'll see you can see weighing machine here, right? And it's showing one pumpkin is this side and in this side it may be a tomato, right? So tomato will be heavier or pumpkin will be heavier.
And
you have seen
pumpkin heavier.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको घर पे आपकी हिंदी लैंग्वेज में? Kaddu, right? Very good. And tomato is tomato, right? You know that. So which will be heavier?
Ma'am, pumpkin is heavier. It is so big, ma'am. And tomato is very small.
Heavy also. Yeah, very good. So correct answer. You can see here, this pumpkin is showing it down, right? In this weighing machine, and it is at the upper side. ठीक है? तो ये ऐसे रहेगा. Tomato will be up and the pumpkin will be down. Very good. Let's see this. This is an elephant and this is an ant. Of course, this ant is very tiny, very small, right? And this elephant is very huge, very big. Yes,
ma'am.
Who will be heavier, children?
Elephant.
Yes, elephant. Indeed, very good. So, in weighing machine, if we'll measure the weight. So this will be at the lower side, down side, and this will be at the upper side. Ant, right? Okay. Let's see further. Take the lighter. So we have two objects here. One is, can you see and tell me what is it?
Shirt.
Shirt. Very good. And this is a
lock.
Lock. So which will be heavier, shirt or lock? So don't look at the size. Here you have to think logically.
Ma'am, lock will be heavier because that is made of iron.
Yeah, very good. And this is made up of some?
Ma'am, cloth.
Maybe made up of some fabric, cloth, yes. So it is lighter, children. Yes, of course. Very good. And this is made up of iron, a metal. So it is very heavy. You have seen a lock. You must have seen and weighed it in your palm, right? And shirt is very easy to carry. Okay. So very good. So we are going to take the lighter one here. So we will take this shirt. Very good. Now two gas cylinders. Two gas cylinders you can see here. One is small, one is big. Here children, these two are made up of same thing, right? These both are same object cylinders, only the difference is in their size.
Yes.
So it is bigger, it is smaller. Yes. So which one will be lighter?
Ma'am, small cylinder.
Small cylinder, very good. So we'll take this. Well done. Take the heavier. Now we have to see the heavier one. जिसका weight ज़्यादा होगा, right? So yes. We have a kite and ये पतंग उड़ाने का उसका क्या है ये? Roller, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which will be heavier, children?
Ma'am, the roller.
Yes, very good. It is heavier than a kite. Kite is very light in weight. That is why it can fly high in the sky. Have
Yes,
you ever enjoyed it?
yes,
Flying,
ma'am.
kite flying? Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am. मैम
Next
इंग्लिश
we
में भी हमने किया पोम काइट पे.
yes, we have a poem, a kite, right? Very good. Yes. Here, children, you can see two fishes, but one is which one?
Whale.
Whale. That is very huge, very big, right? You know?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
know it? Yes. And this one is smaller one, right? So which will be heavier here?
Ma'am, whale.
Whale, definitely. It's the biggest mammal, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good. So let's see, children. Again, we have one more worksheet, right? That is there in your textbook also. You can practice. So we'll discuss it and we'll do it. Now we are comparing three objects, right? So we'll use heaviest and lightest, the superlative degree, children, right? As we have done in the previous topics like thicker, thickest, bigger, biggest. This you know it, right? So we have three objects. You can see them. It's a roller, I think. It's a small kind of Milton or something jar, and it's also a bigger one, right? So
Yes.
which will be heaviest one? Which is the heaviest one?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. And here the example is given, children. The same object is there. That is a watermelon, right? So only the difference is in size. So this the biggest one will be the heaviest one definitely, and the smallest one will be the
Right.
lightest one.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. So we are going to just stick it. Yes, you said the correct. This will be the heaviest. Now let's see this one. Tick the lightest. I know, children, you must be practice reading every day and you are able to read these words. Lightest. So first you have to see the spelling of light, then est, the suffix lightest means सबसे ज़्यादा हल्का. ठीक है? जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स होंगे, जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, हमको उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा हल्का देखना है. सबसे ज़्यादा light, lesser weight का देखना है ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, so here we have three objects. You can see a hammer, shelf with full of books, and this is a dress kind of thing. So which will be the lightest?
Ma'am, dress.
Dress, definitely. Very good. Because it is made up of wood, that is also heavy, and full of books is there, are there, right? And here what you can see, hammer, it is made up of wood and iron, right? This is made up of fabric, a very light cloth, maybe cotton, maybe anything, but it is lightest, right, here among these three. Okay, so children, next is take the heaviest. You can see three examples again. A bucket full of water. This is a small bottle kind of thing, and this is a Milton tiffin or something. So which will be the heaviest one? Tell me.
Ma'am, bucket.
Bucket. Yes.
It is full of
Yeah.
water.
Bigger size and full of water. Definitely. Very good. A big clap for you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we have one worksheet, children, and we have discussed heavier and lighter. We have seen lots of examples, right? Now we'll do this. So here the question says, which one is heavier? Abhi humne kiya, but this is another worksheet I have brought for you. Let's see it. So this is a water bottle and this is a baby. So which will be heavier?
Ma'am, baby.
Baby will be heavier. That is why he is able to carry this milk bottle, right?
Yes,
Yes. Otherwise not. Yes, very good. Now here, children, you can see this cake and this toffee or some candy.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Heavier.
heavier.
Yes, cake is heavier, definitely. Very good. So heavier means which is having more weight, more mass. ठीक है? समझ गए आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And lighter means which is having less weight or less mass. Okay. Now here you can see a pen and a quill, which will be a feather, or you can say. So which will be light? Which will be heavier?
Ma'am, pen.
Pen will be heavier, right? Now here we have cow and some milk packet, right?
Ma'am, cow.
Cow will be heavier. Very good. Now, what this kind of clip kind of thing, and this is a scissors.
Ma'am, scissors is heavier.
Yes, very good. Now we have hammer and a nail. Iron nail, जिसको आप hammer की help से wall पे लगाते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So which will be heavier, children?
Ma'am, hammer.
Very good. Hammer will be heavier. Well done. So you have done all the answers correct. Now we have which one is lighter worksheet, right? So it's very simple, very interesting, colorful pictures. So let's see. Lighter means less weight, right? So a leaf is here and a tree is here. So which one will be lighter? Tell me.
Ma'am, leaf.
Leaf will be lighter. So leaf can, you can see, can fly also in the air. उड़ती है ना हवा में?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
और ट्री उड़ता है क्या हवा में?
नहीं मैम.
नहीं, क्योंकि ट्री हैवी होता है और उसकी रूट्स जो होती है वो अंडरग्राउंड होती है, ग्राउंड के अंदर स्ट्रांगली, है ना, पैक्ड रहती है. Now let's see the next one. We have a table and this is something
Plate.
kind of plate. Yeah. So which will be lighter?
Ma'am, plate is lighter.
प्लेट इज लाइटर. आप प्लेट को उठा के खाना खाने जा सकते हो, ले सकते हो, बट टेबल को उठा सकते हो क्या इतना इजीली?
No, ma'am.
This will be light. Now we have a butterfly, beautiful soft butterfly. Can fly here and there in the garden, on trees, on flowers. And this is a big, huge elephant. Right?
Ma'am, butterfly
So
is
lighter. Butterfly, yes, very good. And here next we have ketchup bottle, or you can say your tomato sauce bottle, children. Right? You must have seen at home. Have you seen at home? Have you picked up ever and seen how big it is, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
and this is a balloon. So which will be lighter?
Ma'am, balloon.
Balloon. So balloon can fly in the air, but this ketchup bottle will not fly, right?
Ma'am.
Yes. Now we have a ball, and this is a
Bat.
bat. So which will be lighter?
Ma'am, ball.
Ball, right. And this is a bed, and this is a mouse.
Ma'am,
Which will be lighter?
mouse.
Mouse. Yeah, suppose it's a pet mouse, so you can pick it up, right? In your hand, in your palm. But bed को आप इतने easily उठा सकते हो क्या? दो लोग, तीन, है ना? Yes.
Yes.
So correct answer, children. It means I'm 100% sure you all have understood what is lighter, what is heavier, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was from today's class. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it and understood the concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, children. So at the end, do you have any question?
No, ma'am. I understood.
Okay. So at the end, children, we'll do Shanti part. Please join your hands. Close your eyes. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children. Take care. We'll meet in the next video.
Sai Ram, ma'am. Thank you.
Sai Ram. Thank you.